Good morning. Say good morning, everyone.
Morning. Morning.
We are in the commune of Vesil. I think that's how you say it. There's a chateau and it's on our route to where we're going tonight. So I thought it might be a good place to stop off for a little break and maybe some food. But we are in the mountains, or sorry, there are mountains around us, or big hills, or whatever they are. This is an amazing place. For the last 2 hours, well, all the time since we left where we were staying, we've been through mountains, and there's been waterfalls and some incredible places. We've really enjoyed ourselves so far. So that's the route from Annecy to Vesil, not Brazil. That would be impressive. No, Vesil. I don't know. Obviously, I'll put it below because I can't say it. But there's a chateau which you can see in a sec. I'll put the drone up and you'll see where we are as well. We're going to walk over to the chateau now and see what we can see. So we're now walking through a tunnel. We drove through it earlier and it's raining from the ceiling. Don't get wet either. Woo, this is good.
Hi.
Right, so we're going to walk into the middle of town now, and I saw a boulangerie. So hopefully there might be some yummy stuff like bread or cakes, I don't know. Let's see what we can find. Hi everyone. So for all you in the UK, still in trousers, but it's nice, it's warm, it's sunny, and we're in a car park somewhere. We've got the awning out. Got the chairs. We're sitting outside in the sun and it's nice and warm. Even in the shade it's warm. This is really nice. It's now time to head to our campsite for this evening. I haven't booked ahead, so I do hope there's availability and they're open and everything else. So we're going to head there now. We're going to go to the supermarket on the way to find some food and some wine for this evening. Yeah, look at everyone there.
Hello. People can say hello. Hi. Spicy cheese.
They don't normally have spicy cheese in France. I don't know why. Should you have a look there?
The hazelnut that we had before. Fancy dinner tomorrow.
Right, so we are now at our campsite. Max Air fan doing its job. Listen to this. Ooh. So incredible. Max Air fan, unsponsored, but we love you. Just pushes air in, takes air out so effectively. Yeah, we've had food. Jaynie cooked up Spanish omelette. I mean, she didn't cook it, she heated it. I don't want to. Ethan saying hello. So we had Spanish omelette, salad, potato waffles, meats from the supermarket, coleslaw, salad. Oh, so much stuff. It was beautiful. So we're now just chilling out outside. Eva's still eating her food. People have just arrived. You can see them. No, you can't see them. In a little caravan. And this pitch for our motorhome, we reversed on originally, and it was terrible because I didn't look at it properly, and I thought, turn it round, no levelling at all. It's absolutely bang on perfect. So the showers, the swimming pool, we're out of season now, so you can't use that, which is fair because it'll be cold anyway. I think Ethan and I are going to go for a little walk and explore when Eva goes down for her nap. You alright, Ethan? Do you want to come say hello? Yeah. Yeah? Hi.
Hi.
So what was the best part of your day? You had a yummy strawberry eclair earlier, didn't you?
Yeah.
That was exciting. We went to a boulangerie and you ordered that by yourself, didn't you? You said bonjour, un eclair, merci. Very impressed.
Au revoir.
Au revoir, yeah, at the end, yeah, when you said goodbye. I paid for it though. You didn't do that by yourself, did you?
I did.
You could have paid for it yourself as well. Right, listen, we're going to say goodbye to everyone for a second.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
See you soon, bye.
Bye.
Good morning. Good morning. That's better. From a rather kind of damp part of France. I mean, it's not that bad. It did just rain quite heavily and then stopped, so it's alright. So we're here. We've been here for one night. We're just about to move on. We're going down to Béziers. Béziers. I'm quite looking forward to exploring somewhere today. So I thought I'd just show you the facilities. Best place to start is the toilets. Stabled, the shower, toilet, all very clean. And there's 2 toilets, 2 other showers. So plenty of facilities for everyone. There's some washing stuff there. Let's have a look. And then we're out of season at the moment, from what I understand. There's a swimming pool, trampoline. Seems like there's like some kind of pizza place inside. There's some mobile homes here that seem to be, I guess they're owned by people. And then there's some ones further up in the site that I think you can rent. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 places. I think 8 pitches, maybe 9 pitches. Yeah, 9 pitches for motorhomes or caravans. Most of them are hard standing, and they've all got power. So very, very friendly man on the door. Spoke very, very good English, thankfully, because my French is still quite lacking. Anyway, we're going to head off now. So we'll see you soon.